What's going on, y'all? It's Dime, and today we're going to be restoring a few knives. I went to a pawn shop and picked up a few out of a little basket they had just over on the side. Full bunch of junk, but I found a few good ones. First off, we got this Chicago Cutlery boning knife. Still in good shape, just needs cleaned up. So that'll be a good one to get cleaned up. That'll go in the knife roll for all my kitchen knives. Another good one. This is an old K-bar. Just got a little bit of wear on that handle. Scratched up a little bit. It's been used. See how much that was whittled down from the thickness here compared to up here. But we're going to get it back in good shape. Get that handle cleaned up. And then last one, there's a Imperial Ireland Barlow 2-blade. This one's a NRA model. Yeah, picked these up for $10, so it's worth the money. Let's get everything cleaned up and get to it. Alright, y'all. There's that Chicago cutlery knife. Cleaned up pretty good. Got a decent edge on it. I've always had trouble sharpening these super flexible knives, but got a decent edge on it. It ain't too bad. I could definitely do better, and I probably will in the future. That one's not too bad, though. Cleaned up pretty nice. Got all that corrosion off the brass pins. Looks pretty good. That one wasn't in too bad a shape to start with. Got this K-bar. Cleaned up a little bit. You see I grinded down this section of the blade. It was all where someone had whittled it down, sharpening it so much. Got that handle oiled up again. It's going to need a few more coats, but I'll do that off camera. Again, got a pretty good edge on this one. This one's a lot better. It's not as flexible as that other one, so it's easier to sharpen for me anyway. And then this one right here, the old Imperial. This one's made in Ireland. Got a decent edge on that, you can see. Good snap in it now. It was pretty gritty before, but it's pretty nice now. It's my first Barlow. Decent snap to it now. That blade's been whittled on pretty good, but got it sharpened up. It'll do its job. Yeah, that was cleaning up 3 knives. We got an old Chicago Cutlery, K-bar, and an Imperial. If you all enjoyed, don't forget to drop a like on the video. Comment down below. Let me know what you think. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Trying to get to 500 subscribers. We'll be doing a giveaway. I'll be announcing what we're giving away here soon. But yeah, once we get to 500 subs, got a giveaway coming up. I thank y'all very much for watching. And until next time, peace.